errors. Okay, if you open, you should be very careful with the parenthesis. If you open the parenthesis, you have to close the parenthesis. Okay, see here, I have opened one, I have closed it with two parentheses, so it shows error. Okay, so let me run and show you how it shows the error. Print. Okay, if I open the parenthesis, it will open another parenthesis also. It closes the parenthesis also. Okay, let me write it as hello and close the parenthesis once again. Now run it. What happens? It shows the error. See, it shows unmatched closing bracket. Okay, so I have to remove this one. So this is an error. Okay, this type of error we will do it. We have to avoid this error. My underscore number, that is my underscore small case, everything is small case, and n is in the second variable, capital N is used for number. Both are not same because variables are case sensitive. Let me verify it with Colab. Let me verify it with Colab. Okay, so what we can just do is that my underscore number, that is equal to 4. Same thing, my underscore capital N number plus equal to 3. Okay, it will not be 7. It will show error. See, my underscore number, capital N number is not defined. This is the error it shows. If this variable is small n, it will not show error. Okay. So the value that we have to see, either you can use print statement or you can call it my underscore number as such. Okay. What will be the value now? The value is 7 now. The value is 7 now. Okay. Next thing, what we can do is that if I if I take modulus of 5 modulus of 0 or 5 divided by 0, it will show error. It will show error. Okay. So let me take some value 6 modulus of 0. Okay. Let me see what is the value. What output I'm getting? I'm getting 0. I'm getting integer division or modulo by 0. That is 0 division error. I'm getting it. Okay. Let me do it with division. Earlier I have done it with modulus. Let me do it with division. Any integer divided by 0. Again I am getting 0 division error. I am getting 0 division error. Okay. So I cannot do divided with 0 functions. Okay. How to create a simple function? Now, the variable that is used to create the function is def. Okay, def, I'll be using the function name my underscore function. Okay, use the parenthesis. After that, don't forget to put colon. Here you will not use brace. Here you will use indexing. Okay, one tab you give it, and now you use print within parenthesis hello. Within parenthesis hello. Okay, I'm executing this function. This is a simple function. Just see my underscore function. It is it is the name that I have given it. Close it with parenthesis. Put colon. Put colon. Give one tab space for print statement. Whatever statement you use within the function or if statement or case statement, you have to give one tab space. Okay, indexing is very important in case of Python. Now execute this one. So there is no error. Okay. Now let me call the function my underscore function. You have to use parenthesis. Okay. What it will just do? It will go to this line. It will execute this function. It will print hello. It prints hello. Okay. This I will call it as calling function. This I will call it as function. Okay. So next one is calling function. If I want to print function, if I'm going to call the function twice, then I have to use twice function name. My underscore function name twice. I think I have left C. Okay. So hello twice it prints because I have called the same function. I have called twice, so it prints twice. Okay. So now function with inputs. Okay. So what we can do it is that you can define the function. You have to give function name. Okay. Let me take the function name as add. Add two variable I have to give n1 comma n2. Two variable, two parameters I'm going to pass. Okay. Within after parenthesis, don't forget to put colon. Now you print the value, print n1 plus n2. Okay. Now run the function. Now run the function. There is no error in it. Okay. It is executed. Now call the function. I have to call the function with function name. Add as 4 comma 3. Okay. What is the value? 4 comma 3. I'm passing it. It enters into the function. It adds a value 4 plus 3. It adds, and that is printed. And that value, printed value, is shown here as 7. Okay. Now, function with output. Okay. Earlier, I have not written the value. Earlier, I have not written the value. I've just printed only I've called the function. Whatever print statement, since I had print statement within the function, it was printed. Now, I'll be using return statement here. Function that I will call it as function with outputs. Okay. So what I will just do is that. Same function, add one, n1, comma, n2, end it with colon, okay, give one tab space, okay, return, return n1 plus n2, okay, run this program, okay, no error in it. Now the value is returned, it has to be stored in some variable, okay, let me take it as y1. Y1 is equal to add 1. The function name that I have given it is add 1. So I have used add 1. Add 1, 4, comma 5. Okay. I have to print the value. I have to see the output what it is. So I'm printing y1 here. Okay. 4 plus 5, it is 9. The value is printed here. Either you can give it with print of y1 or you can give y1. Okay. Next, variable scope. Now, let me check within the function what is the scope of the variable, and outside the function what is the scope of the variable. That is what we are going to see now. Now, I'm going to take a simple function, only one variable n. I will declare it outside and I will use it outside the function, and I will use same variable inside the function and I will print. Okay. So what I have to do is that function, my underscore function, within after parenthesis, don't forget to put colon. Okay, one tab space, and what I was trying to say is that outside the variable and inside the variable. Okay, so I'm declaring n is equal to 2 here, or let me take it as 3 here. Okay, now I'm assigning n is equal to 7 here. Okay, within this one tab, I'm going to print n. Okay, and then here, without spacing, without indexing, I'm going to use one more print n. Okay, I'll tell you the difference. Let me give some space so that you will understand. Okay, so let me execute the program. See, it prints the value of n is equal to 3. The scope of the variable this n is only within this function. This n is only this 7, the value 7 for the variable n, its scope is only within the function. So the value it takes, it doesn't, even though it doesn't takes the value 7 outside the function. Okay. Now, if I want to print, if I want to know this value n, in that case, I have to call the function with its name. So, my underscore function func. Okay, fine. Okay, let me call it. Now it is 7. See, earlier it was 3 and now it was 7. This is a value within the function, and this is global variable and this is local variable. Okay. Keyword arguments. Now you can divide the earlier I have written the value, written the variable using return statement. Now same thing, I've used the function to divide two variable and I've stored it in a local variable. I've stored it in a local variable. That is what I've done. Okay. So for the function divide n1 comma n2 colon. Okay. Now result is equal to n1 divided by n2. Okay. What is the difference now? Earlier I've used return statement. Now I have used a variable. Okay. It doesn't show error. So it is correct. The syntax is correct. Okay. Like this, you can call the statement.